this is just another video, in fact not another video, an updated version of my first video, which was supposedly an easy everyday makeup look, but my mom, and she does, was like, oh Tanya, you just use lots of powders. And I actually deep it, I think it was a bit too complicated in terms of like how many products I used. So this look right here requires a lot less products, honestly, and this is the real easy everyday makeup routine. This can be done in like less than 30 minutes. The other one, it was a bit over 30 minutes to be honest. So this, let's say 20 something. If you want to glow like me, look. Look. You see this? You see this? Just continue watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and enjoy.
We're going to begin with the base, which is my LA Girl concealer in Chestnut mixed with my sleek illuminator in Pompeii. So just 2 pumps of each, 2 squeezes of the LA Girl obviously, and this is what I prefer to use rather than foundation because it's a lot lighter and you require a lot less of the product. And for more of a glowy look, I would say use a bit more of the illuminator. Now we're going to be using our LA Girl concealer in Toffee to highlight. And the difference between this video and the first video is that the highlight isn't brought so low, so it won't affect the colour of the base as much, number 1, and number 2, it won't be so bright. As we're going for an easy everyday look, this isn't too in your face or too light and dramatic compared to makeup you might do on a night out. Now we're spraying our Fix Plus on our beauty blender so that it is damp. Remember to blend with damp products, damp brushes, damp beauty blenders. I just can't imagine any other way. You want the product to sink in and melt into your face. It's light tapping motions, pressing the concealer into your face to ensure that it's blending well rather than just moving it around with swift strokes. Don't forget between your eyebrows, whatever you've done to your forehead area and your nasal bridge, you must do to your eyebrows, or in between your eyebrows rather. Now we're using the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut to contour. Be sure to not use too much along your nasal bridge because it will be really hard to blend out. Cut off the contour at your nose. You don't want it to be going all the way down your nose. Rather than having a long nose, you'd have a pointed nose. So along your cheekbones, carve out those cheeks, honey, your forehead area, and along your chin as well. Now I'm going to use my contour brush by Raw Technique to blend out that cheek contour and the forehead contour. I'm using a flat brush to blend out the contour on my nose. You don't want to use a brush that has a large surface area on its bristles. This will just make your concealer spread out a lot more and you won't get that precise sharp nose you're looking for. Now we're going to bake with our Sacha Buttercup powder. One thing I love about this powder is that it really does what it advertises. So I struggle with flashback, not necessarily struggle, but flashback is my enemy. When I use this, I can guarantee that I'll be able to take a picture with flash or be somewhere and have flash around me and not be standing out like a ghost. I pinch my beauty blender just to ensure that the surface area it covers is a lot smaller. One thing about me is that I don't like leaving my setting powder to sit on my face for too long. I feel like it can leave a cast, which really defeats the whole purpose of using it, to be honest. Now I'm using my Sleek Face Form kit in medium to set the contoured areas. After this, I'm using my Inglot sparkling dust. I accidentally held it upside down in the video, but I'll be using that to highlight the highest points of my face. So my Cupid's bow, along my nasal bridge, emphasis on my Rudolph nose. You know I love that highlight, that young highlight, that gleaming highlight. I love it. And in the brow bone, looking like a glazed donut already. Ooh. Now, as this is a neutral, natural look, I'm just going to use a dark brown lip liner and then I'll put on a clear lip gloss. And I'm spraying my Fix Plus so all the powders can just merge together and everything can just become dewy and moist. And just like that, we are done.
Ooh, mommy gave birth to a scar. This is how it turned out. I really love this look because it's a lot less makeup, so it's more focused on being glowy. I really love about it. This is perfect for the summer. I wear this mostly in the summer. There's not too much highlighter, like the highlighter is brought so low. It's just in areas where it really needs to be. But you know that this highlighter, as in me and this Inglot sparkling dust will never part ways. We will never part ways. This is staying. Rudolph is here to stay, although it's not Christmas. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and like anything you want me to like just go over. Drop me a comment, shoot me a comment. I'll definitely reply. But thank you for watching. I was gonna say enjoy it, but you can't enjoy me going. So thank you for watching my video, guys.